Hello everyone. In last video we discussed about temperature versus heat supply diagram with the phase diagram and also understood the processes involved in converting minus 10 degree ice to 257 degree vapor. Today we will depict the same diagram on temperature versus volume diagram. As you can see, volume is on x-axis and temperature on y-axis. I start from point O, that is minus 10 degree of ice, to 0 degree ice. As you can see, on supply of heat, volume is rising, which is the natural behavior of any substance to expand on heating. But what happens in phase A to B, that is latent heating of ice from 0 degree ice to 0 degree water? Ideally, the volume must increase, but in this case, the volume is reducing. The reason being that let's suppose let's suppose you have the water in a tray and you allow it to cool, which will get converted into ice after some time, and you can see that the level has been increased. This is because the molecules in the ice are closely packed to each other, thereby decreasing the density. And as we know, density is inversely proportional to volume. So, if density is reducing, volume will increase. So, if volume is increasing from water to ice conversion, then surely from ice to water conversion, volume will decrease. Now, this is the very special temperature range for water, which is 0 degree to 4 degree. In this range, water contracts on heating. The reason being that the hydrogen bonds in this temperature range starts to break, and at this point, due to the breakage of hydrogen bonds, density of water becomes maximum, which is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube, and that's why volume at 4 degrees minimum. After this 4 degree phase, it again comes back to its natural behavior, that is to expand on heating. As you can see, from point C to point D, volume is increasing on supply of heat. Again D2, which is D2E, which is conversion of 100 degree water to 100 degree vapor, volume is increasing on heat supply. Same with E2F, volume is increasing on supply of heat, which is 200 degree vapor to 257 degree vapor. Okay, I hope you understood this temperature versus volume graph. Now let us see the behavior of vapor pressure with temperature. As you can see that as vapor pressure increases, saturation temperature also increases. Saturation temperature means the temperature at which the steam or vapor has 100% dryness fraction, or dryness fraction is equal to 1. That is, there are no traces of liquid, there is only moist, there is no trace of moisture, there is only pure vapor. As you can see in this TS diagram, it is temperature versus entropy diagram. In the bell, this is the bell shaped curve. This line is called as saturated liquid line. This line is called as saturated vapor line. And in between, there is the transition from saturated liquid to saturated vapor. And as you can see that I have increased the pressure 1 atm, 2, 3 and 4 atm. And exactly, and on increasing the vapor pressure, the temperature is also rising. You can see from the graph that as the pressure is increased from 1 atm, 2 atm, 3 atm, 4 atm, the content of the moisture, that is the mixture of liquid and vapor, is decreasing, and at some point there is direct conversion of there is direct conversion of liquid to pure vapor, and this point is known as the critical point the where there is no presence of the latent heating or moisture content, and this point is called as critical point. The pressure at this critical point is 221.2 bar and temperature is 374.14 degree. That is, which means that at this pressure and at this temperature, the liquid phase will directly convert to the vapor phase without passing through latent heating phase or phase change. That's all in this video. I hope you understood this behavior of vapor pressure with temperature and temperature versus volume diagram. So that's all in this video. In next one we will try to discuss about or how to find out the other parameters like specific enthalpy and specific entropy using steam table. Till then, like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.